today I'm with my brother. He's got his Indian Scout Rogue.
We got boys pulling up. Rev your bike, bro. Don't know why I listen to you, bro. What's good, people? It's your boy, it's only Blaze, and silly billy me forgot to put my SD card in my GoPro, so I'm currently using Ghost GoPro. We came to Graffiti Tunnel, central London. We've been here many times before. I was gonna do a ride when I first jumped on this bike, but I'll be honest, I was shook. I was so scared, so I didn't end up filming the ride. I've had her for 2 days now. 2 full days. In 2 days we have done 30.9 miles, baby, in 2 days. Thank you, mate. So just been getting used to it. Both days I've been with Ghost. Yesterday I didn't like it arrived and I didn't ride her much. We went on like a 20-minute ride. It was quite wet, so I didn't ride her much. Today we've pretty much been out all day, but I forgot my SD card. Ghost has filmed a little bit on the 360 cam, and then he just gave me his camera now, so I can get a little bit on it, because I want to film a little bit for you guys. Do you know what I mean? I want to show you lot what it's about. I'm gonna do a full review of the bike because I've got a lot to say about it. So I'm gonna do a full review next week. Let me have at least a week on her, so I can actually give it a full review. So next week I'll do a full review on the back, but the video you're watching now, this is just a welcome back. I surprised Ghost with it, not in the way that I wanted to, but I still surprised him, which was really nice. Let's jump on the bike, we'll go for a little ride, and I'll talk to you guys a little bit more. I still haven't managed to figure out the technique of putting this quad lock on yet. I can't even put it on, man. Who gave me a license? All right, now you're probably not gonna see anything. Yes, we got boys pulling up. Rev your bike, bro. Rev it up. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah? You have an hour each. Have an hour each. Yeah? Good? What's going on, man? Nice. I got her yesterday. She came yesterday. Yeah. Nice. It's a big jump. I came from a Vespa. From a 125 to this. Yeah, man. Yeah, of course. Ah, no, brother. This exhaust is so shit, bro. What? The stock exhaust is dead. Like really? I know, right? Oh, I know, right? But nice, though. Next week, everything's changing, man. Yeah, I fucking hope so. Yeah, mate. 2 into 1. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, big one. Alright, where's it, bro? Enjoy, man. See you later. And that's why we do it, boys. The love of the fucking motorcycle community. It doesn't get better than that. It's just a way of life. Do you know what I mean? You either got it or you don't. And unfortunately, a lot of people, fucking hell. Unfortunately, a lot of people don't got it, but we got it. What's good, people? It's your boy Ghost off Jack TV, and today I'm with my brother. Woo! It's so good to be back in the element
Back in our element. Back in London, doing our thing. As you can see, you already would have seen it by now. But he's got... Hold on a second, bro. Hold on a second, bro. Oh shit. He's got his Indian Scout Rogue. We're back together. He's got his dream bike. Give it a rev, baby. Give it a rev. Ah! 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 And we're just glad to be back doing our thing. This is beautiful, man. This has been years and years and years in the making. Sorry. As you can see, he's getting used to the bike quite quickly. It's beautiful, I love it. Ah, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. As I was saying before, this is years in the making. We've been talking about it, dreaming about it. It's actually surreal being here with my boy, being on this Indian Scout, me on my Ninja. We finally achieved the dream. Like, when we first started this channel, I'm sure you've heard us say it many times. We want to be, can't wait until we're here at a traffic light, fucking doing our thing, man. And it's not even about the YouTube, it's just about us being friends, as long as we have the way, yeah, sharing our passion.
Oh shit, it just feels so right, like being on this bike. I said it in the test ride video, like I can't wait till I'm back on it. Like, I knew what I wanted. And now being on my bike, I did it, man. I've actually fucking done it, and it hasn't sunken in for me yet. It doesn't feel real for me yet. It still feels like a fever dream. So I just, yeah, there's no words really. It's just pure excitement in my voice. Like yesterday, it would have been a shit video anyway, because we was laughing the whole time. Like, we couldn't believe it, you know, after we've had dreams of riding side by side on our dream bikes, and to be able to now officially do it, and not, there's no more soon or next month or one day. It's now. Like, the one day is now, and to be living the life we used to dream of is insane, man. So my one message to anybody watching at home who has the same dream, because I know that there's many, just keep doing what you're doing, and I promise you all that stuff will come. You just have to believe in it. Just believe in it and stay true to your mission, and I promise you, them things you dream of will come true, man. It's a fact. You guys aren't gonna like this camera angle. Don't worry though, because I am gonna change to a helmet mount. So yeah, give it a couple of days, well, a couple of videos for you lot watching, and I will have a helmet mount. Because I just feel like on the Vespa it was okay, but on this bike it's way too low. So like I've heightened it from when I've done the test ride. It was around here. I'm not sure how it's gonna be now, especially with this phone in the way. But we'll see, man. This is trial and error. You know how we go. We're not a perfect channel, man. Ah, feels right, man. That just felt right. That just felt so right. I can't hear now. I can't even hear myself speak. Yeah, don't know why I listen to you, bro. I swear to God, my whole eardrum just vibrated. So if you guys are ever riding out with Ghost and he tells you to fall back a bit, don't listen to him.
Anyway, this was just a quick video because I was too impatient to wait for anything. Wanted to make a video quickly. I've been your boy Ghost. That's been your boy Blaze.
Wait. I know what to name your bike.
What? Zippo. This guy. I've been your boy Ghost, that's been your boy Blaze. Off Track TV, baby, we're back. And we are out.